This is ridiculous.
Here we are in a very flooded area. You can tell, look at all the water here. We're driving 5 miles an hour. We made it through the flood.
Okay, we're halfway home.
Halfway. Still got a halfway to go.
Woo!
I feel sorry for the people's houses flooding.
Yeah, that's If it's so much flooded on the street, I can imagine the houses.
I know.
There's smaller shit.
I don't